In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to write difficult formulas in Airtable. We'll walk through the process inside an example base so you can see exactly where everything is and how to use it. Even if your formulas feel a bit intimidating right now, by the end you'll know how to get them into Airtable and working properly. First, open your Airtable workspace and go into the base you want to work with. In this tutorial, I'm using an example base, but you can follow along in any base that has a table where you want to add a formula. Once the base is open, make sure you're looking at the correct table and view where your data lives. This helps you see immediately how your formula will affect your records. Next, look at the top of your table where all the column headers are. Find the header where you want your new formula field to go, or hover over the area to add a new field. You'll usually see a plus icon or an option to add a new field. Click on that highlighted spot to start creating a new field. Airtable will now prompt you to choose a field type. This is where you tell Airtable what kind of data this column will contain. Since we're working with formulas, click on the option labeled Formula. This switches the field into formula mode and opens up a formula editor, which is where you'll write the actual logic. Inside the formula editor, you'll see a text box where you can insert your formula. This is the heart of what we're doing. You can type functions like if, concatenate, date functions, or more complex nested logic, depending on what you want to achieve. Take your time here. It often helps to build the formula step by step, starting simple and then adding complexity. As you type in your formula, pay attention to any error messages or hints. Airtable shows below the editor. If something is missing, like a parenthesis or a field name, Airtable will usually tell you. A useful tip is to click on field names from the list that appears instead of typing them manually to avoid spelling mistakes. Once you're happy with your formula and it's validating correctly, click on Create Field. Airtable will add this new formula column to your table and automatically calculate the result for every record. You can now scan down the column to check that everything looks as expected and make adjustments to the formula if needed.